Yo, what's good producers? It's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video we are about to try the new AI website. It's called Lala or LALAL dot AI, whatever you wanna call it. And this AI is basically you can do like a stand splitter or voice cleaner. But we are about to try uh stand splitter. We're about to try on my beats and stuff like that. So we have like a different packages here. We have starter pack, plus pack, light pack. You can try all of those, but all of these, but we have like also a free version. I mean, you can also check the samples here, but we are gonna use it like right now live here. So I have the beat here. So for example, I'm gonna drag this beat, and we are about to try to re-export to get our stems back. So where this is uploading, okay, let's check out we check out the pricing. So as I said, I have voice cleaner here. Let's check out this one, and we have stem splitter where you can do both. Okay, we just have to export the audio, and that's it. That's it. Okay, this is kind of bugged. Let's drag it one more time. Okay, it's basically one. My bad. Okay, let's wait till this upload. So we have like a frequently asked questions here to check it out. So this AI is crazy. So stay with me. Let's check out this together and see by yourself. Check it by yourself. See what is is this gonna help you with your beats and stuff like that? Maybe with remixing, resampling, and stuff like that. So okay, when you upload the beat, you have to queue up, and we have like a mini processing tab here. So that means like AI is working his job, and we can maybe drag it here later in FL Studio. But for now, let's wait till this website is finished. Okay, this is finished. So let's stay together now. Let's check it out. So we have without drums and drums only. So if I want to maybe take out the guitar only, we can do that as well. So let's check out what we got here. So we have drums. We got only drums. So let's say without drums. So now we got melody. As you can see, it's not that high quality that we maybe may get, but this also works. With drums, maybe with some EQ things, we can fix this thing. So for example, let's take out acoustic guitar because I have this guitar in this beat, and maybe let's check out how this is gonna take the guitar from the whole beat. Okay, let's check out while this is uploading and processing. Or I think we can upload the next beat later just to see it. Okay, we got the acoustic guitar and without acoustic guitar, so let's check it out how this is gonna help us. So we have like a different parts here. As you can see, it's not maybe that good because I have guitar all the way like a going. We have strings, electric guitar, voice and noise, drums, bass, and vocal instrument. In this case, I don't have any vocal instruments, but you can try it by yourself. Please tell me what do you think about this AI. It's really simple. Just go to the LALAL.ai, and maybe you can check out by your beats. Maybe if you want to remake something, remake some loops, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to the next video. Bye.